Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Aisha and I'm gonna tell you how to be a successful architect, a real architect. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn more about architecture and all of the related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Well, today's video is about how to be an architect, a real one, a SUCSEED one. Well, of course, you are going to earn baccalaureate degree, participate in an internship program, become licensed, apply for an architect position, earn profession certifications, and you might consider a master's degree. Well, you have to do all these steps, these basics, but what really makes you a real architect is not the degree, because architecture school doesn't teach you everything. You have to work alone and study alone and search alone. You have to do many things alone. Well, the first skill I want you to know about is learn how to think. You must think like an architect, because architects don't think like anyone else in the world. This you can't learn actually, this you need to train your mind. You need to train your mind to think all the time. We have our own way of thinking. We think about everything. We must know a little of everything. We can't know a little of everything if we can't think about everything. And you can learn more how to think like an architect in the link down below. Anyway, you have to train your brain to think all the time like an architect. Also, you need to be a leader. What is leader? What do you think leader is? Tell me in the comments. Some people might say it's the boss who gives orders, do this, don't do that, and who organize everything. No. Leader is a leader who lead people to the right place. You help people, you take care of them, and you share information with them. You take their opinion, you discuss with them anything. You have to make people feel worthy. You can't be a great architect alone. You need people, you need a trusted team. You have to trust them so they trust you. But they can't trust you if you can't make them feel worthy. If you know how to lead, you can lead your team to the top. Imagine yourself as an employee and you have a boss who is annoying, selfish, and rude. He don't care about you or about your opinions. He ignore you, he mocked you, he doesn't matter about anything about you. He don't give a shit about you. At this point in your life, it doesn't matter how much you love your job or what you do, but at these circumstances you will go away. You're not his slave. You don't want to be treated like that. By the other hand, you imagine yourself have a boss who share informations with his employees, makes them feel like they are in their own home, like you all are one family, and he asks you about your goals and your opinions, and you will feel great, like this is your place. You want to make him proud. You want to make and produce more, not just to make him proud, but you feel like you are part of everything. You feel like you are part of the team or the company or the project. So you and everyone in the group or the team will feel worthy and united. So be this boss, this kind of bosses, the leaders. If you want to be a great architect, you need to learn how to be a leader. Also, communication skills. If you are a real leader, so you already know how to communicate, because communication is your key to be successful. Not just in architectural world, but in any part of your life. Learn how to communicate. Get started on your career path. You can start earning IDB hours right after high school graduation. If you haven't already, sign up for IDB and get started. Networking is the key to advancement. Get to know everyone in the architecture community and allied fields, all ages and all experience levels. Keep updated with famous architects' projects and get inspired by them. And how do they work? How do they think? What do they do? Don't get upset by clients that think they know everything about architecture. Be patient and be professional because you know how to communicate, so you know how to deal with it. There is nothing more annoying than a client who think and claim that he know everything and gives adjustment at the end you look at the project and say, oh my god, this is not my work, this is the client work. You need to be patient and professional because the project is his project and he spends money in it. So what you need to do is, before start anything, you need to know what exactly he wants. And you can learn more about how to deal with the client in the link down below. Also remember that you are not designing for yourself. Of course, you will put your touch in the design, but don't design according your style and what you love. It's not about you, it's about the client. That was all for today. Thank you for watching. But first, I would like to know your opinion about success and what's your plan to succeed. Tell me in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.